looks like we got Agent X, AI Agent X up now. Thank you for joining. Welcome, Vadim.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for inviting me.
We are definitely excited. This is our first episode of the VirgoDAO Investment Talk Show. And your project is the first one. So we want to thank you so much for joining. And we're definitely looking forward to learning more about AIGENTX. And, we're going to have the community ask some questions and we'll definitely learn more about your project.
Great. Happy to answer them all.
Awesome. Looks like we'll get started. It's a couple minutes after 11 for me. This will be recorded, so feel free to share it with your friends and family. And we can definitely listen to this again if you couldn't make it. I appreciate everybody. I know we try to kind of meet in the middle with the time zones. The cool thing about Messier, everybody here is around the world. So very thankful for those that can join. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. I got exciting news. As many as you guys know, Messier VirgoDAO will soon be going live. I can't give you the exact time and date yet, but we are closer than ever. That is direct words from Neo. So we want to appreciate and thank you to Neo and the team, the development team, working extremely hard, 24/7 practically, get this out there as quickly as possible for everybody. And we want to kind of just, this first show, we'll be working with AIGENTX and kind of learning more about the project. And so just to kind of explain how the DAO will work, the top 87 holders will soon have the opportunity to propose projects to our Halo stakers. They're going to vote on this. And we've planned a series of AMAs with different projects where we're going to invite some interesting projects that are listed on Ethereum chain to, kind of give a little bit of feedback, about their project, explain their project, and then the Halo stakers can vote on these proposals. And so thank you again, Vadim, for joining. And if anybody out there has projects that they're following on the Ethereum chain that they think that the Halo stakers and the Messier community would love to hear about, please feel free to DM me or message in the main Telegram or DM any of the team members on the Messier team. We would love to have those projects come up and speak on future AMA spaces. And so, as many of you know, the VirgoDAO trustless DAO is governed by the M87 stakers, runs solely on immutable contracts, one of a kind. And so we'll have the POWA, right, which is any holder of M87 stake that ranks the top 87 positions. These are considered the POWA. They're responsible for unending creation of the proposals, and then the Halo will vote on it. And then the Halo consists of the stakers, whom is not ranked in the top 87. They are responsible for voting on the proposals set forth by the POWA. Each cycle, and so, yes. And I want to just say thank you again to Neo and the team because really great news here. The first proposal, actually the first two, which is huge. I just found out about this. The first two proposals will be funded by Neo and the team. And so this is around $40,000, right? This is so two proposals, each of 8.7 Ethereum. This really just shows the commitment and the nonstop working of the team and how much they're committed to push this forward. And so that being said, I want to just invite Vadim up to kind of give us a little bit of a summary and introduction to AIGENTX. Just to say, Vadim, we've been using the bot in our Telegram, and we've had a lot of fun using it. It's been great. Firsthand experience, the summary bot, or excuse me, the summary function has been a lot of fun to see. If I've been busy all day and I just come in and I use that summary function to kind of see and summarize the entire day has been really helpful. Not only that, but the image generator, how cool is that? Where our community can just, /image, boom, and then it comes out with a beautiful AI drawing. And I'll be honest, at first I did not think it was going to be so beautiful, but some of the art pieces that the community has come up with have been spectacular and such a fun time to use. So that being said, Vadim, if you want to come up and speak about the project, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you too for your positive feedback. We are developing various of AI products You are using our XC bot, which is community management bot. Yeah, the main problem is in the crypto market is complexity of this market, these definitions, etc., for newcomers, as well as the huge amount of different documentation around each project, information, and large language models, hopefully able to answer all questions in all languages instantly, fast, accurately. What we build, and we committed to building various features and products around that to provide the people ability to get the information fast, easy, and accurate in crypto world.
No, that's awesome. That's awesome. What just how just to kind of explain, how does this AI project differ from other ones in the space? I noticed you guys are in the coming Q1 2024. You're coming out with also trading tools and AI tool sets, signal bots, things like that. Can you guys give it a little explanation? Kind of what's setting you guys apart from some of the other competitors in the space?
Yeah, first of all, our main focus is the quality of the product. In raw form, large language models and the AI bots has cons like hallucinations, etc., which are crucial for users. So our main unique selling point is quality. We've spent a lot of time and energy to fine-tune our models in a way to be able to get 99.9% of response accuracy, as well as our solutions fastest on the market, and our feature suite are consistently growing. We're not going to stop. We have a lot of huge catalysts coming, and yep, our main focus for first quarter is to build the solution for enterprise client. We already got client we are building integration for. It's top 15 token on the market. We are really excited to build it, and everything going great. So I think I answered your question.
No, that definitely answers the question. I mean, it's awesome. You guys are, definitely building products that are, we've used it in our Telegram, and it's been very helpful. And definitely excited to see what new, AI tools that you guys are going to be coming up with in the next Q1 2024. The website itself is spectacular. Very beautiful. I noticed you guys have staking as well. Do you want to talk a little bit about how that works? I noticed there's from what I see on the website, there's a 30-day, 60-day, 90 days. Do you want to talk about a little bit about how the staking works with AIGENT?
Yep, we are sharing the revenue generated from our product sales and taxes. So there are not a lot of things to talk about. It's just a simple staking contract sharing the revenue. Maybe the most important part to mention here is we are sharing the Ethereum, not our not AX coin. So it's not inflationary model of sharing the rewards. which is important for my opinion.
No, I see. That's awesome. Yeah, it's cool that you guys implemented staking, and that's really great for the holders. And it's cool that you guys have kind of separate. You have the 30 day, 60 day, 90 days, and it's kind of different APY depending on the length. So it definitely gives incentive to those longer term stakers. I guess we have a few questions that have come in um, that I kind of want to ask. From the Halo members and the people that will be voting. So this is very important for them to understand. So some of them asked, what are the big challenges? When you were putting together the AI into the Telegram, what were some of the challenges, and just give us, how did you solve them, and just some insight into the technical and practical challenges you faced when creating the Telegram bot, because that's the one a lot of us have been using pretty much every single day.
Yep, actually, thank you for your question. It's interesting. Actually, creating the Telegram bot, it's not difficult at all. Telegram has awesome infrastructure for that, but creating AI assistants is challenging if you want to reach the, as I said, high quality. It's very easy with AI to build something looks great as a demo, and the bottom part of the iceberg is to get the perfect quality. And this is the main challenge. I think deep technical details will be boring for our listeners, but the main of them are to make AI working sustainable as you want it to do. This is maybe the main challenge we face it, and we're using the multi-agent approach of processing the requests, which helps us a lot to solve all these problems.
I see. And are the community members, are they giving feedback, to kind of help get the bot help training it, or what are some advice that you can give, to some of the community members joining your Telegram and joining your community? How can we help? Is there anything we can be doing to make the bot better for the future?
Yep, all your feedback is appreciated, and AI consistently learning. It reading all the messages in the group, and our AI, by the way, has auto detector. It able to answer the questions even if nobody tagged or used comment. It auto detect all and read all messages in the group and decide answer them or not, as well as it collecting the data, which is important. So and analyzing themselves. Please use it. Share with us the feedback. We are implementing the features you are giving to us. I've seen in our Telegram group the guys from our community who provided us a lot of great ideas, and we are implementing them, not just saying thank you. So yeah, your feedback, as I said, very appreciated.
No, that's really good. I mean, it's awesome you guys are listening to the community and really hearing them out with the feedback. And that's really how you keep growing. So that's very important and crucial. We love to hear that. I think a lot of us are wondering, especially some of us who aren't technically savvy within AI, what are some wrong ideas that people have about AI, especially with your project? Like, what's something you would love to clear up, maybe some misconceptions on AI, and just for some of us that are not as, technically savvy with AI. Are there any misconceptions that some of us should know?
Interesting questions. I don't think so. I haven't seen a lot of negative. I think maybe negative at all or misconceptions. So maybe you have some. Tell me. I will try to answer.
No, I mean, I was just curious. I mean, I'm still learning a little bit about AI and how the data models are created and things like that. But it's very interesting. And I just want to say, as we're asking these questions, if anybody in the group, because you guys are going to be the ones staking and voting on these proposals. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free in the main chat in the Messier Telegram. Go ahead and ask questions in there, and I can go ahead and ask Vadim on your behalf. And that's really how we want to kind of have these AMAs. It's not just, Alex asking questions. We want the community to really be involved, because really at the end of the day, the community will be voting for these proposals. So we really want you guys to be, asking questions. And if you guys have any questions, if you don't want to come up and speak, feel free to just ask in the main Telegram, and we'll definitely ask Vadim here live. Let's see. So, Vadim, do you have any? I mean, what else would you like to kind of tell the community about maybe some more future plans or things like that, so that way we can have a better understanding about AI Gent X? Is there anything else? Because I have a few other questions I want to ask, but I really want to give you the floor here to really explain the project. And make sure that we understand it, very well, so we can kind of move forward with the proposal and get that voted on quickly. So, is there anything you want to bring up? Because I really want to have this be your floor to kind of explain and educate us on your project.
Okay, great. I will explain and educate about to talking about my project. So I have more time to go deeply. Yep. We have few products. First main is AIGENTX, as I said. It's community management bot, and it's not the replacement for moderator, but it's great assistant for them. So it's a bot able to answer all questions about your project, token, including the smart contracts you have, instantly, on 100 plus languages, 24 hours per week. And it's very valuable to any community, to any crypto projects. We've done a lot of AI solutions around the customer support and sales beyond the crypto first. We were focused on real estate market. We were implementing the lead qualification solutions, and then we figured out that crypto market, where we have years of experience too, has the same problem. People asking the questions, other people replying them, spending a lot of time. Questions, 90% of questions are the same. So AI, we train it on the data, is very powerful tool what we've built. So second, our product is mostly B2C. We've secured the partnership with tier one trading bot on the market, and we are preparing the release of this product soon. So it will be AI assistant not only for projects, but for personal usage. It will be able to do security audit of smart contract, various chart analysis, of course, trading features, and so on. And third product we are building in AIGENTX is, as I say, solutions for enterprises. We are building custom solutions for enterprises on crypto market. They have some specific requests and needs. We are handled successfully. As I say, we've secured the biggest client ever we had. recently, and we've done beta version already. We've got positive feedback, and going to release it publicly soon. It also AI solution, also around the customer service and providing the instant data and responses, but I can share all information for now.
Wow, that's huge. I mean, you guys have a lot in the roadmap, in the pipeline. It's amazing. You know, having those enterprise clients as well. I really want to quickly. We actually have about 3 or 4 questions in the main chat now from some of the Halo stakers, which will be voting on the proposal. So definitely want to get these questions answered. One of the questions from Sold the Dip. So he asks, beside the chatbot, what ways could AI um, this AI bot be used in the Messier ecosystem?
Sorry, MSA meaning small medium-sized business.
No. So the question, so beside the chat bot, what ways could the bot, this AI bot, or excuse me, what ways could AI Agent X be used in the Messier ecosystem? I guess he was just asking if there's any other ways to use AI Agent X in the Missio X ecosystem. I think we kind of already explained that, but if there's anything else you want to mention on that, I think here let's just I'm going down the list of some of the questions here. I think you kind of already went into that. If you have anything else, you know, how else could we use AI Agent X within Messier's ecosystem? That's the question. Other than the chatbot.
Yeah, it could be connected to any actually interface. So we're working on integrations, and if you have any suggestions too, please share them. We will implement them all.
Awesome. Okay, so the next question, this one seems to be the one that's asked right now a lot. Um, Here it is. It's saying, can you please go into detail a little bit more about the tokenomics, details on the token max supply, current market cap, circulating supply, and then also just the number of holders, etc. Some of the Halo stakers want to kind of get a little bit more detail on these on the tokenomics, if you don't mind, please.
Can you please go to our group and ask our AI about it? I can share this detail. So our tokenomic is simple. We did fair launch, so 100% of tokens are on the market. We are growing. We have more than 5,000 holders. You can check out this information on Ask Our AI SSA or Dex Tools, whatever. Tokenomics also mentioned our website, so I think it's pretty easy to get, and we can go ahead.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, no, I see that tokenomics are on the website. I think they just wanted to see if there's anything that you kind of wanted to explain a little bit more in detail. Let's see what other questions. We got a lot of questions coming in. I appreciate the community definitely getting involved. The next question is, how many people are in the AI Agent X team, and how long have they been building, and how are you guys funded?
Great question. As I said, we began to crypto market from Web 2, real estate niche. Current Agent X team is around 30 people. And yep, we came from Web 2. We have had the experience of building projects in Web3 before too. We are enthusiasts of Web3, of course, but when all this ChatGPT and LLMs hype came, and we realized that around half of our day are spending in ChatGPT, and it solves half of our daily tasks. we've decided to do something. We've seen the huge opportunities as well as the need of solving specific problems on the market, right? Each business needs AI, but it's technology. Technology have to be applied properly, correctly. In raw form, it's not able to solve the specific business problems. So we've figured out the biggest problem and started to solve it. That's how we came here.
No, that's awesome. And can you give us a little bit of background, like the team? Like I know it's you, Vadim, and then you also have a couple other team members. I guess what is the size of the team? Who's on the team? Just quickly, just curious on the team itself.
Yeah, my whole background is entrepreneurships, and we have powerful CTO who did the security audits for Core Finance even, and who is amazing dev with 10 plus years of experience. Also, we have, as I said, sort of people who are devs, designers, marketers, sales. So team is amazing. It's growing too. We are posting the job posts in our social media. If you are looking to some opportunities, feel free to reach us out. And yep, we have the strong support of our partners as well. So that's how we are going.
That's awesome. Wow. So you guys have some really, technically savvy people on the team, and it seems like you guys have a great team there. I have a question here asked. Did you guys develop here we go. Somebody's asking, the algo used in the model, has this been developed by the AIGENTX team itself? And which kind of algo are you guys using? Can you give a little bit of just detail on that? You don't have to go super technical, just kind of explaining a little bit about the algo and if you guys developed it in-house.
Yep, as I said earlier, we are using the large language models, of course. It's OpenAI mostly because it's most powerful, and a few more models for some kind of specific tasks to solve. If we don't want to go deep, yeah, it's just few AIs combined together, and in good fine-tuning and prompt engineering, they are giving the great results. So we can say that it's our AI. It's weird. We don't have billions of dollars to just play around with that, right? We are using the current technologies and applying them on the right way. And I want to add more about previous question. I forgot about the big thing I have to mention is we have the guy from Ethereum Foundation on the board as a strategic advisor who are helping us a lot. It's not an advisor just for putting the image on the website. He's really involved in the project, and we are happy about that. And we are growing 10x faster because of that.
Wow, that's really impressive. I wanted to say, just from using the bot on the Telegram itself, are there any new functionalities you guys are going to be adding? Like, for instance, one of the ideas I had, just I know this is a little extra, but putting like a logo, adding like logo automatically. I would love to be able to add the Messier logo just by typing /logo, and then maybe a section like either top left, bottom left, center. Are there any other functionalities that you guys are going to be adding to that bot in the coming future, maybe soon to be released, if you can share that with us?
Yes, of course. A lot of functionality is coming. I will mention the main one. So There are integrations coming. AIGENTX will be working on Discord, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, as well as it will working with various of blockchains, not only Ethereum. We're launching the affiliate program, which is part of our web application. So AIGENTX is not only Telegram bot. We have done our web app. It's on private beta testing, so soon it will be released, as everything I'm mentioning now. And on web app, you will be able to create your AIGENTX, to pay for it, to manage it. You will see the dashboard with various useful information for you as a community owner, manager. This is the main thing we are working on, and also there are a lot of small things that, for example, AI will be detecting silence in the group, and we will start engaging with the community to not make the group empty, as well as it will be able to operate with historical data of the prices on chain. In simple words, you will be able to ask like, AIGENTX, please draw me the chart of this increasing of holders for last month in daily period, and it will draw the chart or we share just with you the price of any token yesterday and specific time, which is also cool for personal usage for traders, I think.
Okay, that's good to know. Real quick, I see another question from one of the community members. We see, and I've noticed this as well. It's very impressive. You guys grown extremely quickly. It's very impressive. I guess we want to see and kind of understand a little bit more about like the marketing strategy going forward, and what kind of marketing did you guys already use, and kind of what you guys are planning going forward with marketing and your strategy for this.
Yep, thank you. The main strategy is to do good product and sales. We are focused on development of our product and doing sales here. And as our main product is B2B, each our client getting customer attention and vice versa, which is beneficial for our project. We have a lot of course, things prepared from the marketing side, such as partnerships and affiliate program. Follow our social media and you will see what is going on.
Awesome. Yeah, we're definitely going to keep watching. I mean, it's definitely a great project. We've been using it actively in the Messier space. So we're kind of I'm seeing if there's any other questions here from the Halo stakers. And let's see, one moment here. I'm just seeing if there's anything else. From you, Vadim, like, is there anything else that you think that we should be knowing as as a community, and for creating this proposal and voting? Is there anything else you want to add? And remember, this will be recorded, so other MSCA holders will be able to listen to this later on. So if there's anything else you want to just educate us on AI Agent X, kind of now is the time to do it. We're kind of coming to an end to the AMA, but I definitely want to give you the platform to tell us anything else you have, any other information you would love to share. And is there anything else you would like to, if there's any and if anybody in the community wants to ask a question as well, please ask in the main chat. But I think everybody's been doing that pretty good, so thank you everybody for asking questions. And if there's anything else, Vadim, you would like to share.
Yeah, you gave me a lot of space to talking. Thank you very much for your time. I'm happy to answering the questions. So maybe you have some or community. I will be happy. It could
Here's a
be
good
around.
how many, so I know you guys are on
Uh,
SEA. Are you guys keeping track, like how many projects are using AI Agent X, and maybe are planning to use it going forward?
you mean projects, not users, right?
Oh, yes, yes, exactly. Yeah, like different projects. Do you guys have like a list or how many have been using it or maybe are planning to use it?
Yeah, projects up to 100, which is, I think, very cool. We just launched it 2 months ago, and it's extremely growing. I think each project in the market will have the AI assistant soon. It will be like market standard. So yeah, that's our numbers. They are listed on our website. We are receiving the positive feedback as you shared with us. Um, Thank you again, and happy to provide the quality products for people.
Awesome. And I noticed that you have like the paid version and the non-paid version. Out of all the users using it, or the projects using it, do you guys have like, I guess people are asking, how many, I guess, percentage are paying and how many are using it for free? And, just kind of curious on that.
Yep, we've decided to not accept the payments on our tokens or so on, only in Ethereum, and up to 90% of our clients are paying customers. So we even removed the free version of our product. So you can receive the demo and test it, working on your data on your project. But if you want to use it, you have to pay. And we are proud of it because when projects testing it out and see the benefits, see the quality, see how it works, and um, how much value it brings on the table. Everyone is happy to pay, and we are sharing this profit with community. So I think it's cool and healthy growth.
No, we're definitely going to look forward to seeing you guys grow. I mean, you guys have already grown so quickly in a short amount of time and have been building a lot. And it's been great for our communities to work together. And we're looking forward to create this first proposal and have the Halo stakers vote. And that's what's so cool about this DAO. Everything's going to be automated and we're going to move quickly. And thanks again for Neo and the team for funding the first two proposals right out of their pockets. I mean, that's $40,000 they're going to be paying out of pocket, and that's amazing for the community. Just to show you guys how much Neo is dedicated for the furthering of this project. I mean, this is huge for him to fund it, and then going forward, the treasury will be filled from all the DApps, so that's awesome. And I want to say again, guys, if you guys have any projects on Ethereum that you guys think we should bring up for the next AMA, please don't hesitate to DM me, message in the main Telegram, SCA Telegram. We're open to any project. And explain to just give a little summary on why we should have them on the AMA, and we will definitely reach out to that project and plan something out. But again, we want to say thank you to Vadim and to AI Agent X for helping us out here with this first episode of the VirgoDAO Investment Talks. It was a pleasure to speak with Vadim. A lot of information we covered. If anyone else has any further questions, if not, I think we could definitely wrap it up here. It's been very, very helpful. I've learned a lot. I have to say, I've used the product myself for I think weeks now, and I love using it. I know the community loves to use it. And going forward, we're going to get this proposal going and move forward. You'll see that everything's going to move very, very quickly. I know you guys are used to other DAOs that take forever to move forward, but this is what we're doing. We're changing the game. Messier is changing the game with VirgoDAO, and we're very, very excited. I'm very thankful for everybody joining the space. As many of you know, this is my first VirgoDAO investment talk show. A little nervous, but I feel prepared. I feel excited. and honored that the community has welcomed me with open arms. And remember, guys, we're going to be having a lot of these episodes going forward. And I hope you guys join the future ones. And to those listening to the recording, thanks for listening to the recording. And that being said, I think if anyone else wants to say anything, we can end the space. But thank you again. And I wish you guys the best day ever. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Alex. You have been born for doing the AMAs. Your voice is perfect. So
thank you, my
thank
friend. And
you.
I want to say real quick, I think maybe we might be, I know it's a little off topic, but I just, keep it keep it a little bit personable. We might be from the same country. Do you speak Russian?
I do speak Russian, but I am Ukrainian.
Yeah, I am from Kiev. Я по-русски хорошо разговариваю
Oh,
тоже. Английский
nice,
мой второй
nice.
language. So Russian is my first language. So it's very cool to have a fellow Ukrainian. I'm from Kiev, born and then was brought to America at 5 years old. So definitely cool to have a fellow Ukrainian here on the board speaking.
Nice, nice. I'm from Kyiv too. Awesome.
Well, alrighty, guys. We'll wrap it up, and thank you so much for joining the space, and everybody have a great day. Thank you so much.